Hello friend, I am Rajesh. Today we will learn introduction about jQuery Ajax with .NET 8. So basically, what is jQuery Ajax? jQuery Ajax is a feature of the jQuery library that allow you to perform asynchronous HTTP request. Ajax is the art of exchanging data with the server and update parts of the web page without reloading the whole page. Using jQuery Ajax with ASP.NET Core involves making asynchronous HTTP request from the client side using jQuery to the server side using ASP.NET Core. The approach allow you to build dynamic and interactive web page application without need to reloading the entire whole web page. And what jQuery Ajax can do? The first jQuery Ajax can do asynchronous request. Basically, using jQuery to make a asynchronous call request. It lets you send request to the server and get response back without uh, having reload the entire page. This can be used to fetch data, submit form data, or perform other server-side operation dynamically, like you can send the data to server and get response back to server without reloading the page. Simplified syntax, that means jQuery provide a simplified and constant API to for making Ajax request, making easier to the work with compared to the using plain JavaScript. And another is the data handling. You can easily handle various data format like JSON, XML, HTML, plain text. And and discuss about error handling. So jQuery has built in support for handle error and success response. And discuss about what about syntax in jQuery Ajax. So simply you write dollar sign with dot ajax, and after that some basic parameter like url basically used to just send the request basically. And type the http method. You can use get, put, patch, delete, and data type that means the type of data expected back from the server, like html, json, xml, etc basically. And another is the success, that means the callback function that response data from server. And error that means any error occur during this call. URL basically is a simplify the endpoint of which the request send. Type that means the type specify the HTTP method get for fetching data, post for the sending data. And data type that means specify the format of the data expected back from the server. And success, that means the success is a callback function that execute if the request is successful. Error that means error is a callback function that handle any error that occur during this request. What is Ajax method? And basically Ajax method allow which type of basically call. First is the get. Send HTTP get request to load the data from the server. Post that means the send HTTP post request to the submit or load data to the server. Put that means the send HTTP put request to update data on server. Delete that means the send HTTP delete request to the delete data on the server. And and the last one is the summary about this video. Basically in this video we discuss ASP.NET Core controller define endpoint in the ASP.NET Core handle Ajax request. jQuery Ajax call use jQuery send to the asynchronous request to this endpoint. Configuration about the ensure proper configuration for handle request, and if necessary you enable to the chorus for the .NET API.